Olyria Roy is a Russian model, singer, Instagram sensation, and social media personality. Her hot and gorgeous Instagram images have made her renowned. Olyria joined Instagram in 2013, and because of her hot and lovely form, she quickly gained millions of followers. Watch the video to the end, I will be very grateful to you. At the age of 17, Olyria made the decision to pursue a career as a professional model and began putting in long hours. Her early days were filled with hardships due to her disproportionately large physique. Olyria's perseverance paid off in 2012 when Alma Molinet and Ideal Forms offered her a modeling contract. Olyria Roy is 33 years old, according to her birth date. Olyria Roy is 5'5" tall and weighs around 69 kilograms. With hazel eyes and blonde hair, she is a stunning and lovely woman. Olyria's net worth is expected to reach $400,000 in 2022, based on her earnings from modeling, commercials, and brand endorsements. In terms of Olyria's personal life, she is single,